Hey everyone! Welcome back to Megaminfos, where we take a journey through time to uncover the most fascinating events from history. You won't believe what happened on this very day. From groundbreaking inventions to shocking historical moments, we've got it all covered.
On 27th February, several significant events have occurred in Tamil Nadu, India, and around the world. Tamil Nadu, 1965 anti-Hindi agitation. The state witnessed intense protests against the imposition of Hindi as the official language. These agitations played a crucial role in shaping Tamil Nadu's linguistic policies and political landscape. Wikipedia. 2005 Underwater ruins near Tamil Nadu coast. Indian divers discovered evidence of possible underwater ruins near the Tamil Nadu coast. These structures, revealed after the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, are believed to be connected to the legendary city of Mahabalipuram. Wikipedia. India, 1912 Birth of Vishnu Vman Shirvatkar, also known as Kusumgraj. He was an eminent Marathi poet, playwright, and novelist. His works focused on freedom, justice, and the welfare of the underprivileged. Observer Voice. 1931 Chandra Shekhar Azad's martyrdom. Renowned freedom fighter Chandra Shekhar Azad died on this day in 1931. He was an Indian revolutionary who reorganized the Hindustan Republican Association under its new name of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Army after the death of its founder, Ram Prasad Bismil, and three other prominent party leaders. Observer Voice. 1952 Birth of Prakash Jha, an acclaimed Indian film producer, director, and screenwriter. Jha is known for socio-political films like Gangajal and Rajniti. Observer Voice. 1956 Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar's death. Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar, also known as Dada Saheb, was an independence activist and the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. He passed away on this day in 1956. Observer Voice. 2002 Godhra train burning. A tragic incident where a train carrying Hindu pilgrims was set on fire by a mob in Godhra, Gujarat, resulting in 59 deaths. This event led to widespread communal riots in the state. Time and date. World, 1933 Reichstag fire. The German parliament building in Berlin was set on fire, an event that the Nazi party used as a pretext to suspend civil liberties and consolidate power. 1964 Leaning Tower of Pisa stabilization request. The Italian government appealed for assistance to prevent the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa from toppling over. Wikipedia. 1973 American Indian Movement's Wounded Knee occupation. Members of the American Indian Movement occupied Wounded Knee, South Dakota, protesting against the U.S. federal government. Wikipedia. 2010 Chile earthquake. A magnitude 8.8 earthquake struck Chile, causing widespread damage and triggering a tsunami that devastated coastal areas. Encyclopedia Britannica. World NGO Day, celebrated on 27th February. This day recognizes the contributions of non-governmental organizations worldwide. NDTV. These events highlight the historical significance of 27th February across different regions and contexts.